Well guys, we got a package and I'm pretty stoked about this one. Alright guys, we got a special package that came in and I'm pretty excited. This is from Artovelo. The co-founder actually reached out and showed me some of their products and wanted to send it to the channel. And I cannot wait guys, this is an awesome piece. If you guys haven't checked them out, I'll be sure to put their channel up here as well as the description box and commented down below. So I'm very excited to open this up with you guys. It's going to be a very unique piece, but there's only one way to find out, and it's to see what's inside. All right, so since the knife did all the dirty work, we are going to open up this package. But before we get there, huge thanks to Tony, the co-founder over at Artovelo. Like I said, this is a very unique piece, and I'm actually very thankful to be adding this to the collection. Now, let's go ahead and open it up because, yeah, we've been waiting for a little bit, and it came from overseas, so definitely a very, very exciting piece. Look at that. Got some gloves with it. Oh man, this should tell you the level of what this is. I'm actually super excited. All right, here we go. We got some, looks like maybe some mounting points. Wow, look at this, man. This is well packaged. Dude, that is so elegant. All right, let's go ahead and put this box down here. Look at this, guys. Got the Artovelo seal on there. Frame the passion. That is awesome. Like I said, guys, this is very, very cool, very unique, and I just definitely want to give a huge thanks to Tony over at Artovelo for even considering the channel and sending this. He had sent a list of things of what they provide. Very cool stuff. I think I want to use the glove. Let's go ahead and use the power glove to open up this pack. Dude, this is, I'm impressed with just the way this presentation is. That is very cool. So let's go ahead and get the gloves on. Of course, we're only going to use one. So there we go. Man, this is soft. Very nice. Let's go ahead and get some little quick rolls and edits for a clip. I definitely want to showcase this as many times, whether on the channel or even through the shorts. Let's go ahead and do some B-side rolling right here.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so we got the glove on. Let's go ahead and release this masterpiece. Dude, I am genuinely digging the presentation. That is just nice. Nice touch there. Trying to be as careful as possible because of what it is. All right, let's go ahead and get this taken care of. Oh man, that is awesome. Check this out, guys. There we go. Look at that Ferrari presentation, guys. Of course, you guys already know the Ferrari F40 is my hands down all-time favorite Ferrari. And the fact that they had this in production was a huge bonus. All right, let's go ahead and release it out of the plastic. All right, ended up putting both gloves on for this one. Here we go. Man, that is nice. Look at that artwork, guys. This is a beautiful piece. You got the aluminum frame. Yeah, that is, dude, this is nice. Very nice. All right. So I will say, guys, this is just an awesome piece, and there's some really cool stuff. Please go check out their channel and just the stuff they have. I mean, it's very unique, especially when it comes to their framed artwork. I definitely love that. There you go, the Ultimate Red Beast, the Ferrari F40. Got the 5-speed manual, nice interior. I love how they just separated the pieces. And look at those wheels. God, that is so cool, man. Love the specs. 245/40 ZR17s. There you go with the production year of 87 and 92. Such a strong run. You even have the twin turbocharged V8. This is so cool, man. I am freaking loving this. Definitely loving this. Definitely appreciate the gloves because this is one of those pieces that is very, very displayable. And I really do like this one. That is well done. I wonder which tooling this is. I don't know. Don't know if this was something, I don't know if these are custom pieces or if this tooling came from a particular lineup. But there is looks like there is a suspension piece in there. So I'm curious on where this comes from. But this thing is well detailed. I am really liking that. Wow, that is awesome. So this does have a little protective liner on there. Let's go ahead and pull this off so we can really see the potential here. All right, you ready? This is like new car. Oh, wow. There we go. We're doing this together because just to show the quality of this. Oh, that is nice. There we go. That is fresh. Wow. Definitely impressed with this piece. If you guys want a piece like this, be sure to go check out Artovelo. I'll try to find their link and put it down so you can pick up one of these along with the other cool stuff they have. They have some gauges, really cool things. I actually really do like the concept of having the gauges through the years and generations of body changes for particular cars. But this is by far one of my favorite Ferrari pieces in the collection, hands down. Hands down, a beautiful piece. That is definitely going up in the wall over there. But yeah, so here we go. This is a beautiful addition to the collection. Not only Ferrari, but just a special piece right here. And again, Tony, thank you so much for considering the Mustang Hunter Diecast channel to feature such an amazing product like this. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this one and get one for yourself. Like I said, be sure to check them out and let them know we sent you. And let them know that you saw it on MHD and it was on MHD first. I don't know of anyone else who's reviewed it. But definitely love this piece. So that is all we have for this episode, guys. Just wanted to showcase this one. It was a very, very cool thing, and I was really excited for this one. And I'm glad it arrived safe because I was really concerned, like, man, are the pieces going to stay intact? Definitely love the presentation of how it was packaged, how it was wrapped, sent with these really comfy gloves. I mean, overall presentation, definitely give it a 10 out of 10. And I do love the aluminum frame, and I definitely love this one. So you can stand it. You don't even need the extending leg right here, or you can wall mount it. I think I'm just going to have it wall mounted. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, comment down below your thoughts on the presentation and this overall Ferrari F40. What your favorite thing about it, let us know. And I'm sure Tony wants to know what you guys love. If you haven't, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future content, especially stuff like this. And until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.